All right, here we go. Subterfuge box break number 373. It's been sold out. Well, not quite. Nobody wanted Nashville. I'm going to give them away to somebody, so I'm going to roll the dice. Whatever it lands on, they're going to get Nashville tonight. Hey, I could have kept them. I don't want them. It lands on 12. 12 is Florida and TJ. So, TJ, you ended up with Nashville anyway. You were cut off, but no. Fate says Nashville is yours. Rigged! So here's our players tonight. We got Boston Sean, UGA with a bunch of teams. Thanks, bud. TJ, Sean, TJ, Sask Ryder. Welcome back to Frank. Nice to see you back, bud. You should hop on our new blog. I haven't seen you for a while. TJ, UGA, there's Daniel with the slab. Sask Ryder's got already picked pack 26 there. Open it up for him. Darts with the Socrates and Ruben. TJ, Alex has got a bunch. Sask Ryder, Frank, Socrates, Daniel, and TRK picked up Winnipeg. So, first thing, well, I already have this out, so let's do Sask Ryder's Gems and Stinkers. You have a gem, sir. So, 26 was a good number for you. Gem, I don't know what it is. Let's find out together. Oh, yeah, you're going to like this one. Trilogy puck signings, Jaden Schwartz. So, you did okay with your $8. Hope you like that. Pretty cool. I like those puck signings now, actually. And we're going to roll for Daniel's slab. There's no random slab in this break, so just Daniel's going to slab now. So I'm going to spin it once and see if we can get the number that's there. New York Rangers is card number 19. Do we have 19? Nope. 15 and 20. Next. Phoenix is card number 22. Do we have 22? No, we got 20 and 23. Try again. Florida Panthers is card number 12. We do have it. There's the 12. So Daniel is getting card number 12 in this break. Right there. And you got a base card, bud. 12th edition base card, emerald number 50 of 60, Sergei Fedorov. You did good on the last one, though. And if you want $5 for it back, just let me know, and I'll toss you $5 PayPal, and I'll throw it back into the system. But it's up to you. Doesn't matter to me at all. And here's our box, finally. Oh, we're going to do darts. So, drawing 3 darts for Socrates. Give these a, yeah, it's not a bad base. Sergei Fedorov. 3 darts for Socrates first, and then we're going to do Ruben's darts. So, Socrates. Single 15. Oh, and you're back in the room. Cool. Oh, man. It's so hard to draw one with gloves on. And a double 5. Maybe we get one without a 5 involved in it. And a... we did have a 5 involved in it. Triple 15. You close your 15s. Double 5. And a single 15. So, okay, you got 4 15s there. No, I don't think so, Dan. We're done for the night. And pulling 3 darts for Ruben. one. Yep. Single 10. Ah, single bull. Oh. Aaron would really like that one. And a triple 6. You close your 6s, you got a single bull, and you got a single 10. I can't remember what you needed. Sorry, Dad. They wouldn't have sold tonight anyways, bud. So, let's move on to our box of Elite that you guys wanted. Ending in 947. Factory sealed goodness. That's pretty good. A couple nice cards. I like that puck signings card. It's pretty good. Jaden Schwartz, good player. So there's our checklist. Our 20 packs. Empty. Triple gainer. Off we go. Yeah, I was wondering where you were. I haven't seen you forever. You usually hang out during the day and stuff. It's fun. Hey, and here it is. The Nashville Predators in the first card autograph. The last team unsold that I gave away to TJ. You got a Jonathan Blum rookie autograph. Not numbered. That's just the way it goes, guys. I knew it. Rigged. Hey, I didn't want them. I can't keep it. Base pack. Red aspirations for the Toronto Maple Leafs. And UGA, you got yourself some Optimus Rhyme. See, awesome box right there. There's a rhymer in it. See ya, bud. Come on. Oh, we got a short print for the Anaheim Ducks and Boston Sean. Bobby Ryan, gold aspirations at a 99. Man, I've been pulling a lot of those gold aspirations. The last box had like 2 of them. It's all good, buddy. Whoa, what's that? Rookie card for the San Jose Sharks and Boston Sean. Non-autographed of Harry Sateri. Sounds like a sushi dish. I'll have some Harry Sateri. Oh, yeah, I am tired. Sorry. We have stars for the Nashville Predators. Craig Smith, the rookie stars. Number 5 of 10. Got a straggler in this pack. Base straggler. Red aspirations for the Ottawa Senators and Alex. You got Chris Neal. Come on, Elite. Give us something epic, would you? Get a mem card in this one. Looks like it. And another base on the back of there. Pull him off. Yep. Ah, nice. For the Detroit Red Wings and Sask Rider. Doing good so far. You get yourself some Mule. Johan France and White Swatch. Elite Materials. Kinda cool. Sask Rider is definitely ahead in this break already. The Winnipeg Jets, and oh my god, Bill got a hit. Nick, I can't do anything in Toronto or Winnipeg Antipov. This one feels beefy. Oh, Joe Sakic for the Colorado Avalanche and Boston Sean. Number 5 of 6 in the set. Clean up some base over there. Yeah, or Atlanta. Yeah, thank you. What? Base pack. Boo. Come on. Elite. Oh, really? A spacer? Boo earns. Oh, that's cool. Well, something in this one. Like a mem card of some sorts. And it is a new breed for the Tampa Bay Lightning in UGA hockey. Victor Hedman. And I think, who was it that collects Tampa? Lucky Dog probably liked that one. And a rookie card for the Calgary Flames. And TJ, rigged. You got yourself some Roman Horak. It's rigged for TJ. Come on, Elite. Do it up. Red Aspirations, the Boston Bruins. You got big, ugly Zdeno Chara. This one feels really thick. Yeah, maybe not. No, it's a spacer. Boo. Oh, that one is thick. Save that one to last. What? There is some Stevie Y. Elite Series Stevie Wiseman, number 1 of 6. Ah, Elite's my new thing, man. I got rid of Parkhurst. For the Buffalo Sabres and UGA, you got Luke Adam, Red Aspirations. Die cut. The last two are pretty beefy. I had my eyes welded shut. And stars for the Boston Bruins, Tim Thomas. Get a job. One of Boston Sean again. And the last one was beefy. I'm hoping it's one of those prime numbers. And it is. Nice. Base and base. Base and base off the back. Oh! It's a middle piece, guys. It's a middle piece. And I can safely say that Sask Rider has won this break outright with this Nicholas Lidstrom autograph. Middle. Number 201 of 253. That's a hard auto. Awesome. Yeah, that's a beefy card there. Nice. Good luck getting the right side of it, but hey. There we go. So you got a Jaden Schwartz, puck signings and Nicholas Lidstrom, middle of the puzzle. Thank you guys for your support, and thanks UTA, hilarious. And I'll see you on the next break.